Right, so welcome back to another video, guys. So yeah, what I've been doing today is replacing the steering wheel on the Clio 200. Like I said before in one of the previous videos when I did a review on it, the steering wheel was really bad, and yeah, basically I bought another leather steering wheel. I didn't want to get the same RS type wheel because I'm not a big fan of the actual look of it, to be honest, and yeah, it's the style of it was not very good, and it's quite grubby. So you can see there, basically you got this perforated leather here, normal leather, and then you got the stitching there. Now the stitching's all gone manky and yellowing. You've got all this damage here, and there's damage all the way around the back of it. It's creasing here. Yeah, it just looks pretty bad, and it's cost like a couple £100 to get a new one. So I thought I'd look for an OEM one that's second hand, but I found a mint leather one, full leather. Still got the steering controls here, but it's absolutely immaculate. It's pretty clean. Got rid of the stitching at the top. None of the perforated as well. So I think this is off a GT version of the Clio, but yeah, don't quote me on that. But yeah, this came up and I thought that's absolutely perfect. Got to have that, and that was £40. So yeah, £40, brand new steering wheel. And then yeah, it would have been £250 for a retrim one, which again I wouldn't have been a fan of if it was Alcantara. The leather ones, it just didn't look the same. When I saw the pictures of the ones that have been retrimmed, they just look really big and bulky as well. They just look like they've been they're just swollen. So yeah, I weren't happy with that. I wouldn't have been happy with them, and it's a lot of money as well for a steering wheel. So, and if I was going to do the steering wheel, I'd have an aftermarket one. So yeah, so that's why I wanted to get something that's nice, but at the same time, yeah, that's still OEM, but still looks really nice from factory. So what I've done is, as you can see, I've managed to get the steering wheel out, and this is the new one, obviously, that's got to go on. So just got to change this plug here, and then we've got to plug in, this one's the left, this one's the right, and then there's like a black earth that goes directly on the back of the wheel. So there's that one there. All you got is this, I don't know what T size it is, but there's a T-bolt here, and you just need to crack this one off, and then the wheel comes off, basically. So nice and easy. The only bit that's a bit of a faff is that you have to get your screwdriver, prise out through the bottom, so if you can see there, and there's a clip here which is on the back of the airbag, which are these things here. So you got to push these out. You can see where I've been scraping it. I was here for like 20 minutes trying to get that out. So yeah, absolute pain in the arse. That's probably the hardest bit of the install, to be honest. But yeah, so we've done it now, and all you do is you push that in, fill the clip, and you pull the airbag from the bottom, pull it up, and then it all comes off in one section. It takes a bit of force, but eventually we get there in the end. So we're going to swap the airbag out, and like I say, get this old wheel off, and I'll come back to you when I've got this off. Right, so just for reference, guys, it's a T55, which actually takes that bolt out. It's up quite tight, so it's going to take a little bit of effort, but it's cracked off now. Just make sure your steering lock's on as well, so your wheel doesn't move, and you can put the wheel back in the exact same position. Take that bolt out, and then yeah, so the only other plug you had to unplug was this grey one here. I'm assuming this just comes off now. So I've just got to feed that through there. Oh, there is another plug here actually. Pull that out from the housing, and so there we go, guys. So you just have to, this clip as well, put a screwdriver it was just in the side of that one there, so you can see the big rectangle hole there. So you put your screwdriver in there, just pop it down, and then it'll come away from this. So just push them back through the hole. That's it, and then one wheel off. And then just basically just do everything in reverse now. So pop this one on. Alright, there we go guys. So yeah, we've got the original nut back on. We've put some Loctite on it as well for that central nut. Plugged all the wires back in. Got this one back in, and we've got that one just there on that side. You got the earth, well I'm assuming it's the earth or the horn for this little black one just there, and then you got that one on the side that I've just pushed back in, and then the grey one here at the back as well. So that's all tucked in. There we go guys, so wheels all back together, reset the clock on there, put the battery back on, and yeah, really happy with it. Looks really smart. I've actually noticed the wheel's actually smaller on this part here as well. It's not as chunky, and the wheel in generally is just a little bit smaller, which I actually really like, which is really nice. So that one will definitely be getting scrapped, or possibly keep it and maybe in the future retrim it, 'cause it is the original RS wheel. But like I say, I think that looks really clean, and I've also got the Renault Sport logo bit of trim here to go in here as well, which I bought absolutely ages ago, which was to go on that wheel, but like I say, that wheel was so badly damaged that I wanted to get a new one. So, and that's the way I wanted to go with it. So yeah, looks absolutely immaculate, nice and clean. So yeah, if you like the video guys, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here, and yeah, that's how you fit a Mark III Clio RS 200 steering wheel. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Like I say, the hardest bit is that spring clip, but that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.